Look at this. It says, find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression, this. Okay? The number of terms. How many terms from here to here? One way to do it is you write 2 minus 9 minus 20. You get the next one. Continue to write them, but that is layman. That is for people that don't know mathematics. The first thing you need to do is to investigate. Arithmetic progression is an AP. Arithmetic progression. It means you can apply this n-term formula for it. Is there actually a common difference? Let's see. To get D, we said this second one minus this. That is minus 9 minus 2 will give us minus 11. Let's also check this minus this. That is the common difference. Minus 20 minus 9. You agree with me? It's minus 20 plus 9, which is minus 11. So because it's minus 11 here, minus 11 here, it means therefore we can use this. Now, what is the first term? The first term is 2. We don't know the last term. What is this position? We don't know the position because this is dot, dot, dot. We don't know that position. That is the position we are looking at. Minus 1, minus 11. What is this? It's minus 141. Okay? It means we are looking for this position. So minus 141 is equals to 2. We expand this minus 11n plus 11, which is this plus this will give us 13 minus 11n. We move this to this, we move this to this side, okay? To have plus n equals to 13 plus 141. You agree with me? This will give us 154. 11n. We divide both sides by 11. This cancel this. This here is 1. This here is 14. The position of this last one is 14. Remember, if you want to know the total number of terms, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, until you get to the last one. The position of the last one also represents the total numbers of terms. So our answer is 14. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.